Now how to make a set of box plots automatically. I've selected all 5 of these columns, and I'm going to insert a chart. Well, I'm going to do the one that looks like a spider web. More charts, and down here under box and whisker, and there we have it. Just a little help on interpreting these. If the difference between these two medians, the line that's in the middle, 50% above it, 50% below that line, if that is, the difference between these two is smaller than the spread of the data from the middle to 25% on each side, probably not worth trying to claim that there's a difference there. Also, just want to point out some outliers here. They're more than 1.5 times the interquartile range, the distance from the 3rd quartile to the 1st quartile.